Enemy Aferi. That is the history of Aferi Military Hospital. And come on, Tamagosim. Bonnie NDC for wicked people.
Oh, that's too high.
Come here, wickedness. Now when you wickedness,
wickedness. I can't be
Bema. Anybody bro? Significant look, someone touch 4-tier interchange now. Over here now, Asanteman. 8 years. You have to kill all of us. 8 years.
Abusama munyina makwaba de magana and same TV so. Say the munyam ne from Mr. President. One more so be like video no. Be subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. There be videos of this nature bar. Also submit my KB na so check out your comment section on my. If by chance of boy studio works, mic, sound, the episode the boy be highly accepted. But your reach out to number and that's on. Na yes abekani ni beje beda was pass. Omo mun say we the only pro NPP platform active on social media. Ti wo mo bi na the boy ni be so pa. Na na de Otumfour nyam kase me chiao, ye Otumfour Asanteman. Na arose bo mun say sabi amanyaku ay3 NDC sabi omo dwes Asanteman eyade bi akeke omo mbu Asanteman ye kana NDC for full soldiers in Biaba catch and say Yera Mahamani NDC omo nyo majority vote in free NPA Asanteman but omo refi say anytime be a NDC baba government be omo 30% or 30% plus our Ashanti region. Ashanti region is so big to the extent that even 30% vote of Ashanti it can cancel half of a region's vote. Now NPP started swam interchange, which is 4-tier interchange. Now ye two about bus sign and this menu kubaso. I also so much tier 4-tier interchange, and 2-tier interchange or 3-tier interchange. Here, Minister for Roads ebe catch and say, "O matter so about 3-tier of 2-tier interchange because skenny." Necessarily, I didn't contract a G2 mu say obey adwuma. I mean, there are certain things that doesn't add up. It's say no more we ask spice up the conversation in Ashanti region. I'm look say even Ashanti region NDC caucus kwampo mo Ashanti omo bofu. Because we say Asanteman more vote. 30% of the man a pushy will vote. 30% of the man a cancel so many votes or other regions, whether you like it or yes. It's or time ben kwan region do many my word ma Asanteman sa. Or time ben kwan but never na Asanteman dey region.
Say we hear about 2024. Modern bar NDC for me Asantefour fi Asante region. A boy ama urajo mama aya pakosem se omampanyi a ya to aba atiara ma akotena nten no watimi ase abedi mampanyi bio na ene akoba se oso hye Asanteman munyamo a yedi ya agudi yedi akwakwakwaye amanyose bagona di Asantefour a me ye member of Asantefour association na me free Asante region ye catch over jo mama ne say apano ye pen 4 lanes you know we treat
here 4 tiers.
Yes, 4 tiers as technical people the canon so no retreat no surrender ye tie nie enkofo a na omotete wo no ya pam wo mo eda o se ebugo ne ebugo wie
Omo lose some livelihood.
Omo lose some livelihood. Nko fu atonton yama so me magazine nam sa kwa no nyina ya pam mo nyina fi o ma wu shops. Omo no tuo compensation dada. Enko fu na o ti o fie wo no ebubu sa fie ni nyina fi o no. Ah, yenim se de baba be kwan. Se woni akora ekwafu. Na o ka chen se udu ba bi a mo be hye no magima ho me. Na se udu no wan hye no a. O fa ne se ubunu kom. Anaso ogbunu kwasia aye dan ana o mampanyi dwo mama kate ye se afia esimu yi wo twesika $10 billion e dia IBF and big push ye be ya kwan wo Ghana hanum nya de ade nyina
e Ghana be construction
na Ghana de be bia be fa bia ye kwan ye si bibi na e kwan a ya batu dada enkofo a o se ye pata o nyina ya pata o dada ekwan a ye na ye ho design drawings ni bibia wie dada na ekwan mpo ya sase a ye bie ye penya de be si pila no me ada de nyina ti na aka tem se edu sam bia ho dia ye niska asem we ye kana efa na
bra omo previous scenario of Sofo line over the years. I just Sofo line to so long. I didn't think about Asanteman region. Sanse say ya flower flower pot was there. Look at the lot of intelligence the one enkahano. And nine.
Then now money ya kasa say we. Eti ya catch already mama say. We there no negotiable. Now the esa catch ni bi on say. Sebi. President of the money, Mama. I'm not so. So I never know. One I know I ball you.
Say, yeah, Papa Kumaka. Now, John Dramani Mahama. Now, a year, ne papa. I will free bally a bank crying. Now, Santia ding. And you know, or better swami. Okay, now your quack of our mood to swim. You don't remember a swassi. You don't remember a swassi. You be keep one moment created here. Na ya sa do masim abeja omo kwan Asante CPP e ba beja omo kwan do maduko fo dua I see asa no masansa omo chi eti swame de e fie swame de ufuma unti eti sa de we eno no go shabo e bi ni abakosem a ba kwa break card you but no in fact what about present day there's no way say ubetima fomwa kusu tetima na woni che bole wa bra mfa swame it's not e na befa enye no nko a omo kotemalo krom omo ko boga omo ko wa omo to aso akwa wi Burkina Faso e so ame no nam eti omo panyin John Dramani Mahama de e ka che o se sa kwan wo ya omo ka enti jabitu wono aka 3 minutes patu ho netie de amade babeka netie de Peter
yana bo muntaka ena sada na ne agreement ni mbono na NDC for nso ma brand omo ko ana muntaka so en was no sa so me interchange asem no ya kan wasma ka nti miso me kumase ni nti mesre se mom yenye bibia kram yenye interchange agreement no and we did it. It was July 2023 and the one was say anabo abuja be kase ya mpisikengo. I'm sorry.
Is it that most sign contract, expecting say sikana be ban sikana ama and say sikana buy and you go account?
No. What happened? Say contract one is saying the contract's signature there is the executive name. Now ba na ratify agreement. That is the procedure.
Okay.
And the abide would go and execute the contract. Now ba na ratify. Say ratifier, it will not have any effect. Indeed, that is what we did. Abano koye, they went and initialed it in a buy. And executing the agreement, and you say the great acquisition, yes, an American, the contract in America. And maybe also the proper say the constitutional language in here executing the contract. So let me use it, but in actual fact, you initial. Na parliament ratify. Afina edimu. That is what was done. Na ye no. Na ye ne IMF no. Nkomodi na bemu. You see country na wokoje saade na fini ho no. So say wo hwe wo say IMF no ma clean bill of health. Na say scan de ma obetumi tua. What you say? Nti na enema de no ekusaye.
Okay.
What you say? And if on a year, a friend saying, so I mean, interchange company Ben
Rango
phone. It's been contracted to Rango. The original, the main contractors here for a contractor. Yes, contractor for no fever. Brazil. Good. And yes, I know me say. Yay, so Bekaya. Near Koji, Sika Free, African Development Bank, and yet they call ye a quambi from Bunsuho, Akofa, ayi efere say lake no so akodon kokrom side ho ni akoje say sika no nti ko ba say ene sa adwuma no yentimi nye no kitikiti within the 2 years nti no ene say sika ne da ho no ene na ba hit account yenyimu bi na nke mfa meye we so amedie no so na so amisika ne ba na yidi akohyem obeka ya ene ma NDC for omwo parliament Eastern region caucus no ekoye press conference bi say omwo mpene mi ngo yisika ne mfa so amene say sika no Eastern region project as if say Ghana a federal country.
Is it different from the last time you didn't come out? What can say? Let's keep you hunting. Mukudi home come my ye be buyer on the bay.
And no ye, and no ye say you know, says Ghana.
Okay,
but they were and no bar say Emano. And no yes okay in ye bypasses none ye bay to continue the dualization of Kumasi. We not any area could see a juso. Near say ye be dualized. Nanka could see bypasses now more yen. Ewo konongo ho so atwaso akofa dwaso akiri ho na akobọ nkokọ die numu so then so ofi nkokọ ofi nkranba obedu apagya junction say kanewum say ne kwan ne fa chebi ene beto okofa besi bunso ho no is supposed to be dualized na besi ufri efere say bunso junction abc anyinemu a onso maye ba omo de ekwan no etutu akiri ho enne besi Asanteman for ye ho no na afa nyinemu chi ennemu na besi nkokọ kwan mu bi the eno so no na ekope ska about half of it the first phase na eno aba na ka se nyengo yibi emfa ma yewi so nti contractor for no be start no na ke se sika no isi region for no ka so mo mpene mi yengo yi no ena ma ebeka ho and yes, and you size can be and for me start and contractor for no so na say so mo ye big company wo Brazil so mo yes and you mo pay ska from their parent abeye na scan buy their ma wo unfortunately so okay back home almost so the president na would be problems tina afia ma de no esa but scan ankasa ya koje ye hu agreement no there it's still there tina make us say we can't assess it because of Sasementi.
So then the minister is right when he says so I'm in touch with
government
of Ghana money
and I make us say that is where I disagree with him. Because Parliament are signing a ratify agreement. What you say? If you are saying so, scan a copy, you intimate assessing is the ABI, the government of Ghana, Sika. Shame na scanaba ye gidi share amanis game
so we are unable to assess because of DDEP
now because of the DDEP because of your IMF the negotiations no ultimately omo na mo so mo krata a che say me patient ne ho atono what you say me yare for no ne ho atono ndi afedi scan no the man obetumi tua. And yes, bilateral donors, that is how it is.
The concerns from Unyanuma Rashibi Jam say, abide to me or tap the designs. They said you all can say, Sika, you want to obey a chili omuneska or more twasso, almost so omoneno and yarding. Is it your position as well?
Sikana Ekoji, you know, now for the 4-tier interchange. So, and he said, I will say, Scano Abia and Sony as a mintimi assess. The women say, I geologist Kakwanamade, the Mameye 3 answer. Mitimi assess finally, Yabe 40 and what kind of size is different.
But that's the position of the minister.
No, not really. Because I don't know what is Scano, Scano and so. So, what tier no so quachira was say, oh, no, be save no. Omo de betwaso afie abusuakuru akosi akom want to ask him
okay yensan tie hwe the video ni bi I'm sure it's ready so that yen na
abusuakuru junction ho no say there is a friend saying an overpass bi ho and we say saade no from abusuakuru junction no omo betwaso akosi akom I didn't even understand it very well because if you abusuakuru e kwa say dual carriage no ho e kwa akosi efrancho so if efrancho ko no ekosi akom no e na how the dual carriage no enye but I think what he meant was make say omode outer ring road be ba me giri say na opese o kire say omo ya akosi sa outer ring road no be si no so which is beyond once make say just say we do a friends say ahinkro and I believe that is where he was even talking about and that is what it is
right now for you it's a concern a lot of people think that role I will play on the MPP campaign government now up till now swami a worry anytime I only be bedin come say na boss HMN Zambunzu akwenya onya yi wan hwa me anya